Hello. Thank you very much. क्यों? Well, it's a versatility award, and I'm glad that I got it. And as I said inside, versatility is, for me, is just self-actualization. And over a period of time, you keep growing older and wiser, and it becomes versatile.
How difficult is it to maintain this look for your movie?
Oh, I have to shampoo my face as well as my hair.
How has it been directed by Rajkumar Singh?
Well, the movie has not started yet, but already my interactions with him have been great. I've been a great fan of his work, and I think he makes real larger-than-life cinema, and his male protagonists as well as his female protagonists are very, very enriched characters. And so I'm really looking forward to working with one of the best directors in the country.
A little bit about the research and homework that you have done from your part.
Oh, there's a lot of research that goes into it. Basically, a lot of research is going into one's own self and also the Sikh religion, as well as, handling those weapons and being a person who doesn't have mobile phones, Facebooks, Twitter, and all these things in his life, not even electricity. So, yeah, it's a good experience. I'm having fun.
रणदीप, congratulations for the award.
Thank you.
कुछ हमें बताएंगे ये अवार्ड किस श्रेणी में था, किस कैटेगरी में था?
वर्सेटैलिटी वर्सेटैलिटी था कि भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के की छवि रखना, मेरे ख्याल से.
He asked this question, then I will ask you.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है जिस पर राष्ट्रगान को कंपलसरी
हैं?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है
What?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
का एक फैसला आया है राष्ट्रगान का कंपलसरी
But national anthem has always been played in cinemas in Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
So it's a good thing. What's wrong with it?
Everyone should rise in respect for the Sikh. So he wants to know
वो योर ओपिनियन.
I think if they play the national anthem, it is but your duty to stand up and rise to it. I don't see any problem. I have never ever had the feeling that I can sit and relax when my country's national anthem is being played. I don't think that is in good taste, or neither is it respectful.
so from one biopic to another, how challenging is it to be part of different biopics and how do you set up as an actor?
I think I am one of those fortunate actors who's had the pleasure of doing biopics, and I get cast in those roles quite often. It's not a deliberate choice, but I enjoyed a lot. And I think it gives me the whole versatility angle is because I do biopics and I don't play myself. I don't think I've ever played myself except for a bit in Lal Rang. But yeah, so I enjoy being other people.
So in terms of sport fighting, any special
Gatka.
that is what you're doing?
Gatka, you know the Gatka?
You just heard about it.
Gatka is a traditional Punjabi sword art. Yeah.
Who are you getting trained from?
यार नंबर दे दे, मैं बाद में तुझसे बात करूँ. Okay, thank you very much. अच्छा और कुछ? Okay.
We are missing you a lot in Mumbai these days. घर गए थे आप, अपने स्कूल वगैरह में गए थे?
जी, मैं स्कूल गया था, 24 साल बाद स्कूल गया था. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. अपने स्कूल में MNSS राय स्कूल है मेरा, मोतीलाल नेहरू स्कूल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, और वहीं पे मैंने घुड़सवारी और एक्टिंग वहीं सीखी थी, और ज़िंदगी के दाव पेच अबाउट बर्ड्स एंड बीज भी वहीं सीखा था. तो आई वॉज वेरी थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल एंड फेल्ट वेरी हम्बल्ड and got in touch with that child, I think, which we should all be in touch with. And yeah, so in school I used to act and ride horses, and now still after all these years I'm acting and riding horses. Either I have not gone anywhere, or I think I'm having the best life.
रणदीप, अवार्ड यहाँ मिल गया. इस साल जो अवार्ड फंक्शंस हैं उसमें आपकी इस बार फिल्में आई है जहाँ आपका अभिनय काफ़ी प्रभावशाली रहा है, तो अवार्ड की इच्छा है आपको?
नेशनल अवार्ड
भाई पहले
देखिए, आप काम कभी अवार्ड के लिए नहीं कर सकते हैं. आप काम सच्चाई से उस मोमेंट के लिए, उस फिल्म के लिए कर सकते हैं. और कौन उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता है या नहीं करता है, ना तो इसमें आपकी कोई ज़बरदस्ती चलती है, मेरी तो नहीं चलती है, और ना ही कुछ चलनी चाहिए. मिल गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं मिला तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा काम कम हो जाएगा उसके लिए।
आलिया की बहुत प्रशंसा की थी आपने। आलिया इस बार उड़ता पंजाब और अभी उनकी डियर जिंदगी फिल्म आई, काफी उसके लिए सराहा जा रहा है। ऐसा लगता है उनका काम बहुत
Yeah, I think she's growing up into a fantastic actor. I hope she can keep it up. I'm very fond of her, and I think it was a second film that she did with me, and I think we interacted as human beings and as actors very well. And I wish her all the best. I love her a lot.
Randeep, time and again you have always been written as one of the sexiest men from Bollywood. They say women love men with beard. So how has the new look been?
It is providence, my friend. कि ये साल बियर्ड का वो चल रहा था तो मेरे को पिक्चर भी ऐसी मिल गई जिसमें बियर्ड रख सकते हैं, तो आई एम विद द फैशन. आई थिंक गॉड इज लुकिंग आफ्टर मी, माय फ्रेंड.
So, you are with the fashion or fashion is with you?
Fashion is with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Randeep.
Thank you very much, guys.
Where is the award? Where is the award? Award?
और गाय भाई संदीप.
Sandeep? There you are. This is yours?
No.
No, they could zoom in and probably. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, here.